Welcome to This Explainer. Let's dive right into a 4-step recipe for capturing mouth-watering food photography.
Ever wonder why some food photos look absolutely delicious, while yours might fall a little flat? Here's our agenda. We're mastering soft light, color harmony, DIY backdrops, and natural styling. Step 1, lighting. You literally just need a window, a diffuser, a reflector, and some black foam core. Diffusing that direct sunlight is crucial. It magically turns harsh rays into a beautiful, soft, appetizing glow. Now, side light is your go-to for texture, but backlight, that adds some absolutely striking visual drama. To add depth, try a negative fill. Black foam core absorbs light, giving you deep, moody shadows. Okay, moving to our flavor profile. What actually makes ingredients look fresh and crisp on camera? The secret? Ditch those highly saturated, warm woods. Instead, build a neutral palette using cool colors. Cooler temperatures push things toward the blue spectrum, which literally makes food look crisper and way more enticing. You can strike a balance with opposite complementary colors, or keep it subtle with neighboring analogous hues. Honestly, a monochrome palette is super calming. It's an elegant understatement that keeps all focus on the food. Next up, the pleating. How do we build stunning, professional backdrops without breaking the bank? It's easy. Just grab some cheap 800mm plywood and a few basic sample paints. The real trick here? Gently dab that paint with a sponge to get a gorgeous natural texture. Finally, the garnish. How do we breathe actual life into a super flat studio scene? Try popping a plant right in the foreground. That blurred depth of field feels totally magical. Or layer greenery in the background. It's an awesome way to fake a lush outdoor vibe indoors. Got awkward negative space? Fill it with subtle eucalyptus leaves so you don't distract from the hero dish. For some dynamic flair, use a gobo. Just position plants between your light and scene for striking shadows. So, with this explainer's recipe mastered, what unique flavor are you going to bring to your next photo shoot?